What happened, Kenny? What you got there?
Did you get
Huh?
stuck under the desk?
Huh?
She's
What are you
like,
doing?
get it off.
Huh? What are you doing? Did you get stuck? Huh? What you got there, Mom? Huh?
Oh my God,
Uh-huh.
that's funny.
What you got? Wait.
She's like, get it off.
She can't get it off. She's trying to run after.
Daddy, get it off.
Hey, I got my hands full, Mama. I can't help you right now. What do you want? What do you want? Are you amused by the whole thing? Huh? You just...
Daddy, how'd you do that?
What happened?
Did you just bury yourself under there and just got all worked up under there, didn't you?
What happened? You're stuck. You can't get out. What happened? Did your roundness get stuck in the big duck? You wanna?